Next, you are not alone. I remember when I went to Chennai, India. I got there nervous. I got there, I ain't gonna lie, scared. It's the unknown. I didn't know what to expect. My driver turned out to be a tour guide. So that's kind of what helped my trip. He took me to different places. And what I realized is that looking at all the people around me, I was just like, we can't really call this solo trip. Because once you step outside your hotel, besides God being with you, you are surrounded by people. There were a lot of people. And I got a lot of stares. I sure did. A lot of stares. I mean, like, it was stares like they've never seen this kind of creation in this country, in this city. Cause you know, I'm black, blackity black, blackity black, black on black, blackity black. They saw it. And it was more like, I don't know, maybe some were hateful, I don't know. But I'm just going by the expressions that I saw, and it was more like admiration, to where some of them even asked, can I take a photo with you? It can be weird to some, but I just took it as an exposure for me that I would have never gotten in Houston, Texas. You feel me? Where it's a lot of black people in Houston, okay, and I love it. But nonetheless, I also saw it as like a way of me being reminded that I came here by myself, but I'm surrounded by people. And if I really want to get the most out of my trip, let me socialize. You feel me? So it made me just really appreciate the fact that, Lord, when you say that we are not alone, you're not only saying because you are with us, you're also saying there's a lot of community around us. If we look for it, we can find that community, right? Kind of reminds me of the video I did for New York when I talked about community and the importance of intentional relationships. So I think it's important that the thought of you are alone is not a thought that God gives you, because God has made us for what? Community. And when you are on these solo trips, you think God cannot send people to meet you on that trip that can make your trip even better? There are people out there that when you're on these trips, God can attach to you and be a part of your journey. They can show you support you didn't think you needed, okay? They can offer you things you didn't think you needed, and they can take you places you never saw yourself being able to go.
Was inspired by the book of 2 Corinthians chapter 5, verse 7. For we walk by faith, not by sight. Amen.